Hello all. In this video, we will learn about elements and physical properties of metals and non-metals. This is a picture of our Earth. 71% of our Earth is made of water. You all are familiar with the chemical formula of water, that is H2O. It contains 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. When we split water into its constituents, we will get hydrogen and oxygen. But we cannot split this hydrogen and oxygen again. Elements are those substances which cannot break down into its simple compounds. Elements are always denoted by a symbol like hydrogen, H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, Cu for copper, like that. Elements are divided into 2 types. One is metal, another is non-metal. Examples of metals are aluminium and copper. Examples of non-metals are carbon and oxygen. Let's see what are the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Malleability, hard, lustrous, sonorous, conductivity, and ductility. Let's go into details of each of them. Malleability. Malleability is the property of an element in which if we beat them with a hammer, they can be converted into thin sheets. Ability to be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Metals are malleable. You can see here the aluminium foil which we are using in our homes. Aluminium can be converted into sheets. That means metals are malleable. Non-metals are not malleable. Here you can see a pencil lead. Pencil lead is made of graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon. Carbon is a non-metal and they are not malleable. If we try to beat them into thin sheets, they will get broke. Hard. We all know metals are hard. This is a picture of an iron fence. This is very hard. But there are some metals which are soft, like sodium and potassium. These are soft metals which can cut easily. And there is one metal which is liquid at room temperature. It is mercury, which is used in thermometers. They are liquid at room temperature. Non-metals are soft, like this. This is the picture of sulfur. They are soft. Lustrous. Lustrous means shiny. Metals are shiny, like gold and silver. Non-metals are not at all shiny. This is a picture of a carbon fiber which is not lustrous. Sonorous. Sonorous means if we beat them with a hammer or something like that, they will make ringing sounds. Metals are sonorous. We all are familiar with these iron bells. They will make sounds when we beat them. But non-metals are not sonorous. They won't produce any sounds. Conductivity. Conductivity is the property of an element in which they will allow heat and electricity to pass through them. You might have seen your mom is placing an iron pan on the stove, and if you happen to touch that, your finger will get burned. That means iron pan can conduct heat. Like that, this is copper wires. You all are familiar with copper wires used for electrical purposes because copper can conduct electricity. From this we can conclude that metals are good conductors of electricity and heat. Non-metals are bad conductors. They won't allow heat and electricity to pass through them. But there are some exceptions like Diamond. Diamond is a form of carbon and it will allow heat to pass through them. And graphite. Graphite is also a form of carbon which will allow electricity to pass through it. These are some exceptions. Ductility. Duct means tube. Ductility is a property of an element in which they can be converted into threads and wires. Can be drawn into a wire or thread. Metals are ductile. As you see here, this is the picture of copper wires. Means copper can be converted into wires. But non-metals are not ductile. If we try to beat them into wires or threads, they will get broke. Let's do a recap. In this video, we learned about elements and physical properties of metals and non-metals. In my next video, I will be continuing with chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Thank you all.